3.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are from Group 5 and our group consists of
Me, Bagas Rizkianto.
Me, Haikal Nur Fadila.
and me, Nisrina Izzatul Islam. In this ISAS project, we are going to talk about overclocking. First, what is overclocking? Overclocking is an information technology term that refers to a way to make a device run at a higher speed than the manufacturer's specified limits. And when doing that, the system performance is higher, but there's also a risk of damage to a system because the temperature increases so drastically so that it can cause damage to the overclocked component. Therefore, it is highly recommended to use a good device cooler so that the temperature of the overclocked device is maintained and not easily damaged. And there are 3 ways to overclock: by RAM, CPU, or GPU, and there are certain hardware that can be used for overclocking and also hardware that can't be used for overclocking. Next. Hardware used in overclocking includes CPU or the processor, GPU or VGA, the RAM, random access memory, also the motherboard, as well as the CPU cooler, water cooler, or liquid cooler.
Okay, I
Next,
learned
how to overclock CPU by Bagas.
1. Make sure the hardware is compatible for overclocking. 2. Stress test the setup. 3. Raise the CPU multiplier. 4. Repeat step 3 until failure, then boost voltage. 5. Repeat step 2 and 3 until computer crash. 6. Increase the voltage again until the voltage cannot be increased anymore. 7. In a stage where the PC is in this high clock speed and voltage, leave it running overnight to find out if the overclocking is stable. Next, I learned how to overclock the GPU. 1. Make sure the hardware is compatible for overclocking. 2. Benchmark the stock configuration. 3. Use afterburner to boost the GPU clock speed and voltage. 4. After boosting, run the benchmark clocks again to see the increase the FPS value and score. 5. Repeat step 3 and 4 until crash. 6. When it crashes, set back the last M8 rating. 7. In a stage where PC is in this high clock speed and voltage, leave it running overnight to find out if the overclocking is stable. Next, I learned about how to overclock RAM. 1. First, take note of the base values on the calculator. 2. Turn off the PC and boot it back up into BIOS or UEFI firmware setup screen. 3. Find the section for memory and load the SMP profile and then exit. 4. Turn off the RAM frequency and increase the operating voltage as needed. 5. Change the latency timing. 6. Save the setting and exit the BIOS and the computer should be restarted. 7. Verify that the overclock is stable by testing the RAM for errors. The calculator has a tab called membench that will be used to test the errors. And last, do an overnight test to make sure the overclocking is stable. Next, Haikal.
Okay. Um, so, okay, I will learn to pros and cons of overclocking. First, the processor can complete more operation per second. 2, it can improve programs response time. 3, heavy software could run smoothly without glitches. Okay, and con. First is more power is needed, more power electricity is used. 2, because of overheating the system may by damage. Next. So Next, result to unstable system and system errors. Okay, thank you. That is all from our group. Thank you very much.